Hello guys, welcome to ACE Online and special welcome to EAPCET 2025 revision series for the physics guys. Coming to myself, Hajarathwali Sir, I am the faculty at ACE Engineering Academy. These are my few credentials. Guys, I am going to start with the system of particles and rotational motion. Now, coming to the important areas, that is center of mass, moment of inertia, and kinematics of rotational motion and rolling motion. In the previous video, please check it guys. In the previous video, I've discussed in detail about the center of motion. In this video, we'll discuss about moment of inertia. In the next video, we'll talk about these two topics guys. In the present video, I will discuss more on moment of inertia. Just mark my word. ఒక క్వశ్చన్ కన్ఫామ్గా వస్తుందమ్మా. వన్ క్వశ్చన్ డెఫినెట్లీ కమ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ మొమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇనర్షియా. చాలా 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ గాయస్ ఇది వచ్చేసి. సో ప్లీజ్ బీ కేర్ఫుల్ అండ్ ప్లీజ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ గాయస్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐమ్ స్పీకింగ్ హియర్. ఓకే, లెట్ మీ స్టార్ట్ విత్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్ గాయస్. A solid sphere of mass of radius r has its outer half is removed. Outer half is removed so that its radius become r by 2. Then its moment of inertia about its diameter equal to how much? ఈ క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే మనం ఫస్ట్గా గాయస్ యూ నీడ్ టు రిమెంబర్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టాండ్ ఫార్ములాస్ గాయస్. అవేంటంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ షుడ్ నో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇనర్షియా ఆఫ్ ఏ స్పియర్ అబౌట్ ఇట్స్ డయామీటర్. యూ షుడ్ నో ద ఫార్ములా గాయస్. దీనికి చూసుకుంటే గాయస్ స్టాండ్ ఫార్ములాస్ అమ్మ వచ్చి ఫస్ట్ we'll talk about this one itself guys, about the inertia of a sphere guys. How much guys? 2 by 5 mr square. 2 by 5 mr square. If I take a point masses are there, m1 d1 square, m2 d2 square, m3 dt square guys. Like this I am going to have. If I am having a slender bar, a simple bar guys, then about this axis will be equal to how much guys? ml square by 12. Now if I'm having a rectangular plate, then about ix is ml square by 2, then iy is mw square by 2, then iz. About this one I'm going to have addition of these two things itself guys. If I'm having a ring gaani hollow cylinder unte rendu same formula vastundama mr square vastundi. Ade డిస్క్ సాలిడ్ డిస్క్ ఆ సాలిడ్ సిలిండర్ ఉంటే ఎంఆర్ స్క్వేర్ బై 2 అని వస్తుందమ్మా మీకు. అదే స్పీర్ ఉంటే 2 by 5 ఎంఆర్ స్క్వేర్ వస్తుంది గాయస్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ యాన్యులర్ డిస్క్ అంటే ప్రాపర్ హాలో డిస్క్ గాయస్ హ్యావింగ్ అవుటర్ రేడియస్ అండ్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎ ఇన్నర్ రేడియస్ గాయస్, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు హ్యావ్ ఇనర్షియా ఆఫ్ m into r square plus r square by 2. And along with that guys you need to understand two theories guys. First one is parallel axis theorem. Parallel axis theorem. What is the parallel axis theorem is guys? Listen carefully sir. If I know any object, if I know inertia about the centroidal axis, if I know inertia about the centroidal axis, then I can find out inertia about any parallel axis guys. This is the IP, and having a distance is assumed for time's sake d, then I can say parallel axis IP equal to formula guys IG plus md square. IG plus md square. D is the distance between the perpendicular distance between the two axes guys. అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా. అందుకని అబౌట్ ద సెంటర్ ml square by 12, about the edge it is difficult to rotate because extra inertia is coming added. That's why so it is having a more inertia will be there at the end. How much guys? You remember the formula ml square by 3 వస్తుందమ్మా మీకు వచ్చేసేసి. Similarly perpendicular axis theorem. Perpendicular axis theorem guys. What is the perpendicular axis theorem guys? If you observe carefully, if I'm having one axis x, y, I know about ix I can able to get it, iy I can able to find out, inertia about rotating about x axis, about y axis guys. Both are lying at the cross section. Then this is the iz. This iz must be equal to how much guys? Anyone? Ix plus iy. Or not only about x and y guys, any two axes. Assume this is about this side is ia, this side is IB, but the condition is what exactly, sir? This should be perpendicular. This should be perpendicular, and along the plane unte neeku vachesi IZ must be equal to IX plus IY and IA plus IB also. మీకు సేమ్ అదే విధంగా వస్తుందమ్మా మీకు వచ్చి. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ వన్ guys. Now let us start solving this question. Everyone, please look at here. A solid sphere of radius. This is a solid sphere, guys. Solid sphere having a radius r, has its outer half is removed. So remaining become how much, guys? Anyone? Remaining radius become how much, guys? R by 2, guys. Assume mass is m. Mass is m itself. Then its moment of inertia about diameter equal to how much, guys? First, I1. What the I1 formula, guys? Already know that 2 by 5 times of mr square. I1 equal to 2 by 5 times of mr square, guys. Now I2 in terms of I1 he is asking, sir. I2 ikkada chese mistake endante, guys. So listen carefully, sir. Ikkada mass ఎంత ఉంటుంది? Is it m by 2 shall I say? మనం outer half remove చేసిన తర్వాత ఉండే మాస్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? Can I say is it m by 2? Absolutely wrong. ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది మిస్టేక్ చేస్తుంటారమ్మా. I'm assuming m dash, guys. I'm assuming m dash. Don't directly keep. Radius ఏమో r by 2 వస్తుంది, ఎందుకంటే వాడు క్లియర్గా మెన్షన్ చేశారు క్వశ్చన్లో. బట్ mass is not m by 2. Why not m by 2? We will discuss in next 2 minutes, guys. So I2 ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి, guys. 2 by 5 into m dash r by 2 whole square. m dash r by 2 whole square. నాకు m డాష్కి mకి రిలేషన్షిప్ కావాలి. అది ఎలా కనుక్కుంటామంటే, guys, listen carefully, sir. Now first, m equal to density into volume. Do you agree with this or not, sir? Mass equal to density into volume, guys. That equal to rho into volume, how much, guys? Anyone? 4 by 3 times of pi r cube. Now can you please help me, guys? M dash equal to how much? Same density, density will be remain same, into volume 1. Rho into 4 by 3 into pi. Radius entamma? R by 2. R by 2 whole cube. Now if I take it, guys, so m dash by m, if you take it, guys, how much I'm going to get? Rho getting cancelled, 4 by 3 getting cancelled, pi getting cancelled. How much is coming, guys? 1 by 8 I am going to get. Understood, sir? It is not 1 by 2. You will get 1 by 8. Outer half remove chesaru kabatti. Now please take it now, guys. I2 by I1. Now take it I2 by I1. 2 by 5 into m dash into r by 2 whole square by 2 by 5 into m r square. 2 by 5 getting cancelled. M dash by m, how much, guys? 1 by 8 I am going to get. 1 by 8. Here r square getting cancelled. How much I am going to get, guys? 1 by 4. It is coming as 1 by 32. So which means that I2 equal to I1 by 32, which means that it is a 1 by 32 of the initial value. So right answer is what exactly, sir? Option D, guys. I hope this is clear. Now let us check it another question, guys. The moment of inertia of a thin uniform rectangular plate. Moment of inertia of a thin uniform rectangular plate of mass m having a length a and width b. Having a length a and width b about an axis perpendicular to the plane of the plate and passing through one of its vertices is how much? Really tricky question, guys. Ikkada diagram emi ivvaledu, but for your convenience I am giving the diagram, guys. Assume this is a typical diagram, amma. As giving the length is a ichadu, b ichadu, guys. I am allowing this is the x, this is the y, this is the z, guys. So I can know the formula. Ix equal to ma square by 2, iy equal to mb square by 2. Iz ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా? Iz equal to ix plus iy. Using which theorem, guys? Perpendicular axis theorem. I will get m by 12 into a square plus b square. కానీ వాడు ఐజెడ్ అడగట్లేదు. వాడు ఏమడుగుతున్నా అంటే, guys, please, about an axis perpendicular to the plane of the plate and passing through one of its vertices. So this is what he is asking, passing through, because the 4 vertices are there. He's asking about this IP, he is asking, guys, about this IP. This is the IP, guys. So IP is parallel to IZ. So I can definitely write IP must be equal to how much, guys? IP must be equal to IZ, because centroidal axis, plus m into d square. I know IZ equal to how much? M by 12 into a square plus b square. Now d, అది ఎలా కనుక్కుంటామమ్మా? D is the perpendicular distance between these two. సో మనం ఇక్కడ చూసుకుంటే ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ d అవుతుందమ్మా. So how can you find out, guys? Please see this rectangle. Please see this rectangle, guys. This is the center. Listen carefully, sir. This is the D I want. I know that this is the A by 2 distance. This is how much, guys? This is the B by 2 distance. Then this become how much, guys? Square root of A by 2 whole square plus B by 2 whole square, guys. How much is coming, guys? 1 by 2 into square root of a square plus b square is the value of d. Now substitute, guys. IZ is how much, guys? M by 12 into a square plus b square plus m into d square. How much is coming, guys? 1 by 4 into a square plus b square. So how much is coming, guys? Take m a square plus b square common into 1 by 12 plus 1 by 4, guys. So how much is coming? 1 by 3 I am going to get, guys. Please verify. You will get m by 3 times of a square plus b square. The right answer is, guys, option D is the right answer. I hope this is clear for you, guys. Now, let us check this question, guys. Very beautiful question. 3 point masses M1, M2, M3 are located at vertices of an equilateral triangle. Vertices of an equilateral triangle having each side of the length L. Then the moment of inertia of the system about an axis along an altitude of triangle passing through M1 is how much? So here ఒక డయాగ్రమ్ ఇవ్వలేదమ్మా. ఇక్కడ ఏం వచ్చానంటే ఇక్కడ assume, guys, M1 అన్నాడు. I'm assuming, guys, this is the M2. ఇక్కడ ఎంతమ్మా నీకు వచ్చి M3, guys. M1, M2, M3. So 3 masses are located, 3 distances, guys. Then moment of inertia of the system about an axis along an altitude of the triangle passing through the mass M1 is. Altitude అర్థం ఏంటమ్మా నీకు వచ్చేసి, guys? Yes, this is the altitude of this triangle passing through M1. Is asking about this axis is how much he's asking, guys. Very simple, guys. Inertia equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3, guys. I1 plus I2 plus I3. So the point masses are there. I can say M1 D1 square plus M2 D2 square plus M3 D3 square. Now ఇప్పుడు చెక్ చేసుకుంటే, guys, M1 D1 అని చెప్పగలరా? 0 square. Why? Because distance from axis to M1 is exactly passing, should be equal to 0. Next M2 total length L కాబట్టి distance ఎంత నీకు వచ్చి L by 2 ఉంటుందమ్మా, ప్లస్ M2 into L by 2 whole square plus M3 into L by 2 whole square. Take L square by 4 common. How much is coming, guys, here? M2 plus M3. The answer is coming as option D, guys. I hope this is clear for you, guys. Now, let's see this question. 4 point masses, each of mass m, are placed at the corners of a square of side L. Same question, guys. A square undamma. See, similar kind of questions are repeating, guys. Corners of the 4 sides of L, guys. Each of mass m, guys. Then the moment of inertia of the system about an axis, about its diagonal, he's asking, sir. About this diagonal, he's asking. Then what I'm going to get, guys, these 2 points will give you the inertia 0. Why? Because these 2 masses passing to the same axis itself, so these 2 doesn't give you, guys. So what the inertia will be, guys? Assume this is the distance d. This is the distance d. This is the distance d, guys. How much I am going to get? Inertia equal to, I am going to get m into distance square plus again m into how much, guys? Distance square. My task is to find out this value equal to how much? Very simple. This is 9 degrees. Na? This angle equal how much, guys? Anyone? 45 degrees. This is how much, guys, has given? L. So it become L sine 45. L sine 45 means D equal to how much I am going to get, guys? L by root 2 I am going to get. D equal to how much, guys? L by root 2. Substitute here m into L by root 2 whole square plus again m into L by root 2 whole square. How much I am getting, guys? Please observe carefully. M, take it common, guys. I am going to get L square by 2 plus L square by 2. How much is coming, guys? M, L square itself. So the right answer here is option B, guys. Option B is the right answer. Now, this question I won't do it, guys. I will give you as a homework. Please try to answer. Please try to answer. And I will give the clue. Don't worry, guys. Try to answer and share your answers in the option, like in the comment section, guys. I will verify and I will check you, guys. So the question here itself is 3 identical uniform solid spheres. 3 spheres are there, guys. Each of mass m, radius, then the centers lying in the same plane. The moment of inertia of the system about an axis lying in the plane and passing the center of the sphere is how much, guys? He's asking what is the moment of inertia about this axis. He's asking here. Question got ichadamma meeku vachesi neek first neek em kavalante neek vachesi, please listen carefully, sir. Inertia about P equal to inertia about T, inertia of the A sphere, inertia of the B sphere plus inertia of the C sphere. If you observe, A and B will be similar, guys. If I know one, I can able to find out 2 into inertia of the A sphere plus inertia of the C sphere, guys. Now, inertia of the C sphere formula emotion which is direct, guys, because passing the diameter itself 2 by 5 mr square vachestundamma direct ga vachesi. Kani inertia of the A sphere anta you have to use the parallel axis theorem, guys. Inertia of the A sphere equal to about this axis is the 2 by 5 mr square plus m into this distance square, guys. So please try this one on your own, guys. Please and share your answers in the comment section. Finally, I will conclude this video by saying that you have to remember these 4 to 5 formulas. Without remembering these formulas, it's very difficult to solve the questions from moment of inertia. I hope this is clear for you. I'll come up with the new video, guys, soon. Thank you.